Usembut Menteri Rambak Kejela ubak kami Ikatan Urban Affairs ubak senga bahalang dahar. Ula ong baka jing penyai iki jabok nak Jakarta Teknyut Marten. Kelalong kebayat baik jak renti. Hakabah Haduh palat arlak ton ke jabok ladap pensai. Nak kebentar ke Jakarta Teknyut ke bertemai ngidang penkerek pensyim ya karai. Kat bang ngidang penkerek ya ke Jakarta ke bertemai. Ya mentah ngihapan penyat iki jabok jabain dak kebasannya ki ula ong. Ula ong ru baka jing penkut iki jabok balarim kadang ya syakmat. Hakabah Haduh arlak ton ki jabok ladapan pentri kambiang recycle. Batla antat baka jabok mentah kadang don syakumba iway point pralak ton ya kaba endang penyat syakmat. Hakani ke shisnem baladam Haduh kumba lai Haduh saulak ton ladapan san kumta leksi kandang don sakumba iway point pralak ton. Bat kermen batang hakapur ke bakendiat ngin la ban penkut ya barok ki jabok balarim nak ni ke Jakarta Teknyut Marten ong ubak singa balang. Usembut Menteri Rangba ula pun pau ke jing skau scam baya ke jing pentri on la ban pendap hapuk kapur balabuk kata kat kum ke jing asoi tenda. Ni thikna bakin la ban penkut lut ya ke jabok barim napoh Marten hapuk kapur balabuk kat kum ke jing asoi tenda ula ong. Ula ai kublai ru ikinong syong snong ki bala ai ka jinga trilang bat jing kershan ha ka jing persyang ban penkut ya ka ni ka jabok ha ka ni ka jaka. Dan luar kata ula kerpat ru iki pat ba bagin beteng ban penyaklat iki jabok ki bala ban put bat ki bemput da ka baong ila bun tali ki center ringkat ki machine red ki bat mai bat kham tam ngi kerpat iki ban penyaklat iki jabok namar kum kini ki eki kam ki barit ki don ye ki jingta ki babha.
The legacy waste is under full swing. I think now more than 2 lakh tons already excavated from that present place. So now the place most empty. So and for the new one we are still yet to finalize. So while we are yet to finalize the new location, so in the meantime we have to process all the old dump by the method of legacy waste. I'm very thankful for them to all the localities especially, because we have done awareness program from the department and they are very cooperative, and we are very thankful for all those locals who are really be a part of the city to maintain the city clean. And then we have put so many center like the recovering center with that small unit of the new machinery. So mostly now especially we request them also to segregate the biodegradable and non-biodegradable, and they have done it. So these things, small thing, but it impacts a lot. Continues to request the locality to be a part of the municipality, so we'll be able to maintain the locality clean. But the last 1 year it was more than 3-4 lakhs, so now more than 2 lakhs have been recycled already. So maybe still 1.8-1.7 lakhs still there. So hopefully in a short span of time we'll be able to take that off. Not timeline, because we have allotted to some of the companies, so it seems they are able to complete within a stipulated time as per the tender agreement. So the tender agreement time of completion is exactly not with me, but I'm very sure they will be able to complete within this stipulated time as per the tender agreement.